Someone asked about trying to use the phone from the steering wheel. And it got me thinking, actually, is anyone using the custom buttons? So two things we're going to answer here. First one is, can you use the phone from the steering wheel? You can. So say you're in navigation over here. So depending which model of Hyundai it is, sometimes it might be this side, sometimes it might be this side. Go into phone. So this time I'm going to press phone. And it's called up the phone screen. And then I can scroll up and down. So if you can see over here, it's changing up and down from here. So technically you should be able to do it no matter which model of Hyundai you have. However, one thing I do see here is you got your redial list. It looks like you'd have to manually touch your phone book and then you could start scrolling down through your phone book. So in other words, you'd have your redials or you'd have your phone book. You'd have to manually choose that and then you scroll from the steering wheel. But to call it up, yeah, just hit the phone button over here. That brings me to the custom buttons. So you got two custom buttons, which are the little star. I press the star on the steering wheel. I haven't set it up yet, so it's going to give me a few options. What do I want it for? So in this case, I might say, I'm just going to use it. There's a home button to bring it back to the original screen. I might use it as home. Let's go into settings or something like that. And whatever. I want to go back to the home screen. I'm going to press that button now. And it's brought me back to the home screen. So there's a limited amount of things that the custom button can do in the steering wheel, but there's another custom button over here. And this custom button then has more options on it. So I can have Bluetooth, I can have a shortcut to driver assistance, a shortcut to phone. I suppose actually one thing I do find, you've got setup, you've got media, you've all these shortcuts over here, but you don't have a phone one. So if I press that, so let's say we're in the map. So we knew this one was home. And now this other custom button is going to bring us into the phone. So basically, hopefully that'll answer a couple of things. One of them, can I call up phone numbers from the phone? You can, using that shortcut here for phone, and then scrolling over here. And then the custom button, so I can have this button do one thing, and this other custom button do something else. So this they're like kind of wildcard buttons. You can choose what you want them to do. So hopefully that's useful. Thanks for watching.